When it comes to boosting your Fort Worth home's value, many homeowners focus on major renovations like kitchens or bathrooms. However, one often overlooked home improvement that can significantly raise your property's worth is installing new windows. Beyond aesthetic appeal, new windows offer a range of practical benefits that can make your home more valuable, energy efficient, and appealing to potential buyers. Enhanced curb appeal. First impressions matter, and your home's exterior plays a big role in attracting potential buyers. Old, outdated windows can give your home a tired and worn-out appearance, even if the interior is pristine. By replacing your old windows with modern, energy-efficient models, you instantly update the look of your home. Whether you choose sleek, contemporary designs or classic, traditional windows, the right choice can make your home stand out in your Fort Worth neighborhood. New windows come in a variety of styles, including double-hung, casement, and sliding, allowing you to match the style of your home and your personal preferences. The transformation can be dramatic, giving your home a fresh, modern appeal that enhances its overall curb appeal. Energy efficiency and cost saving. One of the most compelling reasons to replace your windows is the immediate impact on energy efficiency. Fort Worth residents know that Texas summers can be blistering hot, and winters can be surprisingly chilly. Inefficient windows are a common source of heat loss in the winter and heat gain in the summer, making it harder for your HVAC system to maintain a comfortable temperature. This leads to higher energy bills and an uncomfortable living environment. New windows, particularly those with double glazing and energy-efficient coatings, can significantly reduce heat transfer. The best options feature low-E glass, which reflects infrared light to keep heat inside during the colder months and outside when it's hot. This means your HVAC system doesn't have to work as hard, saving you money on utility bills year-round. Over time, the energy savings can add up, making your home more attractive to buyers looking for lower living costs. Noise reduction. Fort Worth is a growing city, and with growth comes noise. Whether it's the hum of traffic or the sounds of new construction. New windows can help reduce the amount of external noise entering your home, providing a quieter, more peaceful living environment. Double-glazed windows with thicker panes of glass are particularly effective at blocking out sound, offering a welcome respite from the hustle and bustle outside. If you live near a busy street, airport, or train track, the ability to reduce noise pollution can be a significant selling point. Potential buyers will appreciate the tranquility new windows can bring to their homes, making it an investment that not only improves quality of life but also enhances property value. Improved home security. Security is always a priority for homeowners, and new windows can provide an extra layer of protection. Modern windows come with advanced locking mechanisms, tougher frames, and impact-resistant glass, making them more difficult to break into than older, outdated windows. If security is important to you, this added peace of mind can make your home more appealing to buyers who value safety. Additionally, some windows feature laminated glass, which holds together even if it's broken. This offers an extra level of protection for your home and family, while also making your property more attractive in a competitive real estate market. Increased resale value. Investing in new windows can offer a substantial return on investment, ROI. According to the Remodeling 2021 Cost versus Value Report, homeowners can expect to recoup around 70% to 80% of the cost of new windows when they sell their home. This percentage can vary based on factors like the type of windows chosen, your home's location, and the overall real estate market, but in general, replacing windows is one of the most cost-effective home improvements you can make. In addition to the ROI, homes with newer windows tend to sell faster than those with outdated ones. Buyers are more likely to choose a home that doesn't require major updates, and energy-efficient windows provide an added incentive to make a quick purchase. Final thoughts. New windows are not just an investment in your home's aesthetic appeal. They're a smart choice that can increase its overall value. From boosting curb appeal to improving energy efficiency, noise reduction, security, and resale value, the benefits of installing new windows are clear. If you're looking to make an impactful upgrade that will pay off in the long run, consider replacing your windows as part of your home improvement strategy in Fort Worth. It's an upgrade that will not only enhance your comfort but also increase the desirability and value of your property in today's competitive market.